Community Family Day is held in our municipality, hosted by our very own Father GC Lamokot and the big members of San Isidro Labrador Naawan. With our guest, Father Jason Laguerta, Father Leo, and Father Cabantal. I hope that this big activity today will be successful with the blessing of our Lord Jesus Christ. Once again, I welcome you all visitors at magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Honorable Forny Duremdes, our Town Councilor in Naawan. Alright, so for our